How hard is HVAC repair? Modern HVAC systems combine electrical controls, refrigerant cycles, airflow design, and safety mechanisms. They include control boards, thermostats, capacitors, motors, refrigerant lines, safety switches, in the case of furnaces, gas burners, and ignition systems. Every component interacts with others. When one part fails, the symptoms may point somewhere else entirely. The real challenge in HVAC repair is accurate diagnosis. Warm air could mean low refrigerant, a failed capacitor, compressor problems, or electrical issues. A furnace that will not start could involve ignition failure, a thermostat problem, gas flow issues, or a safety switch malfunction. Replacing the wrong part wastes time and money. HVAC repair also involves safety risks. AC systems contain high-voltage electricity and pressurized refrigerant. Furnaces involve combustion and carbon monoxide risk. Improper repairs can create fire hazards, electrical shock, refrigerant leaks, or unsafe heating conditions. HVAC repair requires both physical skill and technical training. Technicians work in tight spaces and extreme temperatures while interpreting wiring diagrams, measuring voltage, testing refrigerant pressure, and verifying airflow performance. Accurate testing prevents repeat breakdowns and protects major components. If your system is not performing the way it should, the safest and most reliable solution is professional evaluation. Airtime Heating and Air provides accurate diagnostics, clear explanations, and repairs done correctly the first time, so your home stays comfortable without unnecessary risk.